Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and parents, Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher of SST of class 4. I hope you all are well with your family at home. Students, all of you know that the present pandemic condition of COVID-19. Because of this, I have started the lecture of your subject SST. Please take out your books of SST. You may get ready. Today our chapter is lesson 1, page number 2. Please open the page number 2. Lesson 1 is the earth in space. We learn about this lesson the shape of the earth. The earth is like a huge ball. We call this shape a sphere. It is not quite round, but it is flattened at the top and the bottom. In different ideas about the earth. Some people thought it was flat. Most people believe that the earth was at the center of the universe. Astronauts, persons goes into space in spaceships called astronauts. But space probes, the machines that sent out into space to find out more about the universe, are called space probes. When we talk about the earth and its movements, we use some special words just like orbit, axis, equator, hemisphere, cardinal directions, rotation, revolution, intermediate directions, etc. First of all, we talk about orbit. The path of the earth around the sun is called its orbit. Axis, this is an imaginary line running from the north pole to south pole through the center of the earth. Equator, an imaginary line that runs all the way around the middle of the earth. Hemisphere, the equator divides the earth into two, the northern and southern hemispheres. Cardinal directions, the four main points of compass, north, south, east and west, called cardinal directions. Intermediate directions, the directions in between the cardinal directions like northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest are called intermediate directions. Rotation, the earth spins from west to east on its axis. Revolution, at the same time the earth is moving around the sun. This movement is called its revolution. Moon is the earth's natural satellite. It revolves around the earth. Each complete revolution takes 28 days. The effects of the rotation and revolution of the earth. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. The different seasons and climatic conditions on the earth are caused by its revolution around the sun and by the tilt of the axis. The world is a huge sphere, but we use flat maps to show us parts of it. Maps need a clear title, scale and a key to help us to understand them. Now we learn about the meanings of difficult words. Number 1, bottom, lowest part. Bottom, lowest part. Various, different. Various, different. Cardinal, fundamental. Cardinal, fundamental. Rotation, turning. Rotation, turning. Equator, a great circle of earth. Equator, a great circle of earth. Oceans, expanse of water. Oceans, expanse of water. Dear students, subjective and objective notes has been provided, so you should write these notes on your SST copies. Thanks all of you children. You may keep praying from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala to keep us safe and all the people of the world from the present pandemic of COVID-19. Allah Hafiz.